drop it.
Hey.
Drop it now!
Hey, cool, man. No problem. No problem at all.
How do you know about this?
I don't even know what that is. I'm just a junker, man. I was just checking stuff out.
You don't look like a junker. You're wearing rabbit. Oh.
It's just an outfit, man. Ninja Turtle, you better stop poking me.
What is your name?
My name is Peter Quill, okay? Dude, chill out.
Move!
Why?
Women may have questions for you.
Hey, you know what? There's another name you might know me by.
Star-Lord. Who?
Star-Lord, man. Legendary outlaw. Guys.
Move!
Peter? What happened?
Hey,
Reed.
Reed. Look, I'm gonna be totally honest with you. I forgot you're here.
Protesting the recent peace treaty signed by the Kree Emperor and Xandar's Nova Prime.
Peter, you have cold.
No, we don't.
Well,
Hey, Yondu.
I'm here on Morad. Ain't no orb, ain't no you.
Well, I was in the neighborhood. I thought I'd save you the hassle.
Well, where you at now, boy?
I feel really bad about this, but I'm not gonna tell you that.
I slaved putting this fuel.
Slaved? Making a
And
few
now you're gonna
calls
rip
is
me
slaved?
off.
I mean, really?
We do not do that to each other. We're ravagers. We got a code.
Yeah, and that code is steal from everybody.
When I picked you up on Terra, these boys of mine wanted to eat you.
Yeah?
They ain't never tasted any Terran before. I stopped them. You're alive, causing me. I will find you. I will put a bounty on him. 40K. But I want him back alive.
Yeah.
Alive? That's what I said.
I told you when you picked that kid up, you should have delivered him like we had to do. He was cargo. You have always been soft on him.